magical, and yes, a little bit messy because that's where creativity lives. Creativepreneurship isn't just a trendy thing. It's a mindset, a movement, and most of all, it's a mission. A mission to build, to connect, and to empower not just businesses, but the people behind them.
Okay, now my question is, when you guys started your business, was it part of a life design? Was it motivated by money, meaning, or expression?
Let's welcome another Senator Sherwin Gatchalian.
This organization is close to my heart because your mission is deeply personal to me. Share your story, mentor one entrepreneur, build something bigger from the lessons you've learned. Be the reminder that progress is possible, even when it's hard. Ang tagumpay ninyo ngayon ay paalala sa iba na posible rin ang kanilang pangarap.
So earlier, all of our winners that you saw on stage are members of Global Linker. And now they're going to receive education in our SEAL program, courtesy of ICSB. And the goal is to make these entrepreneurs internationally ready. Okay, it's not gonna take overnight. It has to make time. And when that happens, we now tap the global partners of ICSB. Maraming salamat po, and we will see all of you again in September when we celebrate our 4th anniversary. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And thank you. Maraming salamat.